Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinex, and today we are diving into a plugin that has become a secret weapon for so many music producers, whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting your musical journey. We are talking about Scalar, and guess what? It just got a whole lot more powerful. That's right, folks. After much anticipation, Scalar 3 has arrived and it is packed with incredible new features that are designed to spark your creativity, solve those tricky musical theory puzzles, and ultimately help you make better music faster. For those of you who might be new to the Scalar family, at its core, Scalar is a groundbreaking music theory MIDI plugin. It can dictate the key and scales of your music, suggest chords that work beautifully well together, and even help you craft melodies and bass lines. It's like having a knowledgeable music theory expert right inside your door. Now, let's get into the exciting stuff. What's actually new in Scalar 3? And trust me, there is a lot to be excited about. First up, Scalar 3 can now run as a standalone application. Yes, you can now use Scalar 3 without even opening up your door. This is perfect for those moments when inspiration strikes and you just want to quickly sketch out an idea, or experiment with chord progressions, or even use it as a dedicated practice tool. Guys, prepare to have your mind blown. Scalar 3 now features VST and AU plugin hosting, and this means you can load your favorite third-party instrument and effect plugins directly inside Scalar. So no more complex MIDI routing just to hear your ideas with your go-to sound. You can create entire patches and tweak effects all within the Scalar environment. Really, this is massive workflow enhancement, blurring the lines between a MIDI plugin and a mini DAW. Look at that. I've got my favorite synth loaded right here in Scalar, and I can even add effects. To be very honest, this makes experimenting with sounds and harmonies incredibly intuitive. Get ready to arrange your musical ideas like never before with the new multi-lane timeline. The Arrange page now has a dedicated timeline with lanes for chords, melody, bass, and phrases, all perfectly synchronized with your main chord track. You can adjust clips independently per lane, giving you a much more DAW-like experience for building out your compositions directly within Scalar. See how easy it is to layer different musical parts? This timeline makes it so much more visual and intuitive to build out full song sections. Feeling stuck in a harmonic rut? The brand new Explore page is here to rescue you. This page offers a fantastic way to discover a universe of chords that aren't necessarily tied to specific scales. Categorized by genre and feels, like dark, bright, or neutral, it suggests compatible and even experimental chord progressions to spark new and unique harmonic structures. Just browsing through these categories is enough to get your creative juices flowing. It's like having a harmonic sandbox to play with. The color page provides a comprehensive overview of all your chord voicing and harmonic alternatives in one convenient place. You get instant access to parallel and relative chords, as well as diverse voicing and substitution options, allowing you to add incredible expressiveness and creative flexibility to your compositions. This page is a goldmine for finding those subtle but impactful harmonic variations that can really elevate your music. You remember Scala's phrases, performances, melodies, and bass lines? Well, they've been reimagined as motions in Scala 3. Now they come with mood-based tags for easier browsing, and there are hundreds of new motions crafted by professional musicians, including the all-new Passages motion. These motions are fantastic for quickly adding rhythmic and melodic interest to your chords. The new tagging system makes it so much easier to find the perfect vibe for your track. While the core functionality you love is still there, Scala 3 boasts a revamped user interface that is built around 3 core pages, which are, as you can see, Browse, Create, and Arrange. This redesign aims to inspire a more intuitive and efficient workflow, making it even easier for both newcomers and existing Scala users to navigate and harness its power easily. The interface feels cleaner and more organized, making it a joy to work with. So as you can see, Scala 3 is a massive upgrade packed with features that can truly revolutionize the way you approach music creation. Whether you are struggling with music theory, looking for fresh harmonic ideas, or want a more integrated songwriting environment, Scala 3 has something incredible to offer. The best part is, you don't have to take my word for it. You can actually try Scala 3 for yourself with their trial version. I highly recommend you head over to their official website, link in the description, and give it a spin. And while you are there, if you decide to pick up the full version, I would be super grateful if you use my affiliate link. I mean, it really helps support the channel and allow me to keep bringing you more content like this. So, what are your thoughts on Scala 3? Which of these new features are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more music production tips and plugin reviews. So as always, stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy music making and bye for now.